Hi there, I'm Adam Comartin, owner and winemaker of Comartin Cellars. And today I'm up here at Bar R Ranch, which is up in Santa Cruz Mountains. A beautiful day up here. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how we make our Bar R Vineyard Chardonnay. Starts here in the vineyard, and we're about 1,200 feet up near the summit of Santa Cruz Mountains. But you can see behind me beautiful Pacific Ocean behind us, and that really gives a nice bright acidity, cool climate to the grapes throughout the growing season. So once the grapes are harvested from here, we bring them to our winery, which is also local here, Bay Area, and we press those grapes to remove the juice, and we capture that really cold so that we get a cold fermentation. And what that does is really preserve the aromatics, the fruit in the wine. So we'll have a really long fermentation, cold fermentation over several months. And at that time, the fermentation is happening in barrels. We use 100% French oak, which adds a lot of nuances to the wine, a lot of complexity and mouthfeel. We'll have that fermentation go in the barrels, and then extended aging for about 1.5 years. And what that does is really kind of softens the wine over time. The air it's introduced even through the barrel is just a very slight amount of air over time that really creates a balanced wine. And we like to do all of our aging for Chardonnay in the barrel. And then when it's time, about 1.5 years later, when we're ready to bottle, we'll combine those all together to make the perfect blend. Some barrels we'll leave out if they're not up to the standard that we're looking for, because each barrel, because it was fermented in those barrels, has a little bit different fermentation going on, and some of the wine is slightly different. So we usually take about the top 10 barrels to produce our Bar R Vineyard Chardonnay. And once we have them blended, we'll bottle those unfined, unfiltered. And this site being so cold, a lot of fog, cold air coming in from the Pacific Ocean, just a real beautiful crisp Chardonnay. Lots of notes of lemon, citrus, a little bit of vanilla coming in from the barrel aging. And typically this Chardonnays will last at least 6, 8, even 10 years in bottle. So that's kind of what we're looking for when we're producing wine, is just a real age-worthy, balanced wine. But Comartin Cellars is our passion, and we're thankful to share our story with you. So cheers.